Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn Insight tag from your landing UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the website where your landing UI is hosted. Log in to your account if required. Locate the section where your website or landing page settings are managed. Look for an option related to integrations or third-party scripts. Find the section that contains the LinkedIn Insight tag. Once located, click on the Edit or Manage option next to the LinkedIn Insight tag. You may see a code snippet or a reference to the tag itself. Select the option to remove or uninstall the tag. Confirm the removal action when prompted. Save your changes to ensure the tag is completely uninstalled. Next, it's important to verify the removal. Open your website in a new tab. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. Search for LinkedIn Insight tag in the page source. If the tag does not appear, it has been successfully uninstalled. Close the Page Source tab and return to your main dashboard. Finally, monitor your analytics to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.